Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Sound English. Today we are explaining about prepositions of time and place.
Where is she?
She is at the gate.
When does he go?
He goes at 9 a.m. What do you notice here? We use at in two different kinds. One is for place, other is for time.
Question word where refers to place, so in the first statement at the gate refers to place. Question word when refers to time, so in the second statement at 9 a.m. refers to time. She lives in Bangalore. He was born in the month of May.
Here, Bangalore is a place, so in refers to place. In month refers to time in the next sentence, so in refers to time.
There is a cup on the table. He was born on 14th November.
Here, on refers to the position of the cup, so on refers to place. On refers to the particular date of the birth, so on refers to time. So, in, on, at can be used as prepositions of time.
Thank you for watching Sun English. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.